TPST stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Tempest Therapeutics is sitting at 86 cents and it is like 18 to 19% off for the day. And where are we heading next is the next question that will also arise. One thing that I'll have to say is that this thing is kind of been going down. I mean, Context have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and as a result, gotten thousands of quick predictions. With TPST specifically, it's just a bearish market. I mean, I'm not really trying to like interfere, but like the only thing that will make me not be bearish on this market is proper breaks above 103. Now we can argue the ranges is coming from a little bit below. This is what's actually holding the price down if you really look at the daily and the weekly chart if you zoom out. So that's what I'm actually going to kind of use. Actually, it would not be wrong to use this supply as well. I mean, since it's like a very similar level, it doesn't play that big of a role. But as long as there is a double break, then and only then I'll actually short. I mean, if there is not a double break and my rules are not met, you bet I'm not going to do anything. I will not even move a finger. So that's how TPST looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.